Again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. Now, like the latest game available now, and many of people request to be on this making to be played this video, and I today like be helping to you how to be completed to be this game and to connect to the dots and number game available now, and I will be helping to you how to complete to be this games 50 levels, and I will be completely guide to you how to complete to be this game meters level. So guys, everything more easily now, just I request you be end of watching this video, and I will be completely guide to you and how to be receiving your rewards, because sometimes many people not to be understand how to complete to be these games. So let's start this video. So guys, I'm be already download now 248 connects dots and the numbers, so I will be explain you shortly, and I guide to you how to complete to be this game meter there, because everything more easily now, not to be hard no, all about so much easy. Okay, so just only watching my video, then you will be easily to understand now. Okay. Okay. Okay, you checking on next level. I will be starting now. All about this is the everything easily now. I will be explaining you how to complete to be these games. Okay, because all about this is the more easily now. Only explanation you how to complete to be these games. Okay, because sometimes many people not to be understand how to complete to be these games. So guys, all about this is the everything easily now, not to be any hurts, and I will be completely guide to you. Okay, claim now. Okay. Okay. Using your mind. So next levels. So this game and all about this is the more easily, not to be any problem, because not to be worried now you. Okay, next level starting now. This is the all about this is the more easily now, just only explain you how to complete to be these games, because just I will be telling to you. So thank you so much for you supporting me and like my videos, because to be I will be guide to you how to complete to be this game meter, that everything I will be explain you, and just I will be explain you how to complete to be this games meet levels. So I hope you will be enjoy my video, and please request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I more helping to you every time every day, because I will be show you how to complete to be this games levels. Okay, thank you so much for you watching my video.